BB Soil Act and BB NUTRI 73. Spray on the soil before sowing seeds. Apply to soil every 2 weeks. Apply prior to planting with adequate soil moisture. Spray in the evening after 6 p.m. Apply BB Soil Act and BB NUTRI 73 for the best result. Spray again after sowing seeds. BB NUTRI 73 offer more than crop nutrients for your soil needs and naturally adjust your organic soil pH. BB Soil Act is to wake up existing native dormant microbes in the soil to increase soil activities and promote organic soil conditions. BB Grow. Apply to leaves every week. Aggressive vegetative growth foliar feeding 2 times a week. Spray in the early morning before 9 a.m. Application starts after 4 leaf stage until flower bloom stage. BB Grow to give plants the boost they need while in the growth cycle. Result after using BB Grow, lesser yellowish. BB Bloom. Apply to leaves every week. Aggressive flower bloom foliar feeding 2 times a week. Spray in the early morning before 9 a.m. Application starts once plant starts blooming, flowering. BB Bloom to give boost while fruiting and flowering, increase yield and taste, smell as well as the health of your plants. BB Prevent. Apply to leaves every 3 days. Spray in the early morning or evening 5 p.m. to 10 a.m. Application starts from seedling to maturity.